Iskcon food relief started? Did I tell that? I never said. Iskcon food relief started in the first time we were in Mayapur. Prabhupada visited at the time of opening of that 4-story building, the mandir, and our temporary mandir. We had a big feast. So many people came, a nice big feast. Not a public distribution, invited guests. And so many devotees were there. So afterwards, Prabhupada was taking rest in his room. And from the feast, we eat on banana leaves. Those who visit Mayapur know that many times, big festival days, we eat on banana leaves. Those have been taken and thrown in the back of the building about 100 yards off on one side in a big heap. So there was a lot of noise coming from that heap, so Prabhupada became disturbed. And Prabhupada had a habit, especially in India, that whenever he wanted, at any moment, day and night, he would suddenly call, "Bring the sannyasis, bring the GBC, immediately call them, bring everyone now, immediately." He would just doesn't matter, it would be 2 in the morning or 12 at night or any time you could be called. There was no 2 in the afternoon. So everyone, of course, was resting. They all immediately get up, come, pay their obeisances. And then Prabhupada was sitting, looking over the veranda, and he said, just see. Everyone looked. And there, what happened, there were so many dogs were gathered around those leaves, but the dogs had been driven away by children who were taking the leaves, and on the plate there would be a little bit of chutney, sauce, maybe a piece of the puri couldn't finish because you're already up to here, so that was left on the plate. So they were going through the plates and licking the leaves and taking whatever tidbit they could find and eating it. So Prabhupada was saying, they must be so hungry. They must be so hungry to do that. And he was crying. And he said, we are establishing a mandir. If you want to make this a temple of Krishna, the Krishna is everyone's father, then you must see that everyone within 10 kilometers distance never goes hungry. Then this is really the house of Krishna. That will be your credit. So then he gave orders to all the present GBC, everyone, you arrange that here regular prasad distribution will begin. These people are so hungry. We must feed them prasad.